Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how you can do the trending dribbling effect kay PicsArt. So if you want to see today's video, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe as well to my channel and hit the notification bell. So yun guys, una buksan niyo yung PicsArt application from your phone and then pili kayo ng picture na gusto nyong i-edit. Then, once nakapili na kayo, punta kayo sa effects, then magic, or choose your own effect kung ano yung gusto nyo maging itsura ng picture nyo, kung anong effect yung gusto nyo gamitin. So, depends on your case. And after nyo mag-edit, go to cutout and then choose the icon with the person to automatically cut out the picture, and then you just need to hit on save. Tapos save nyo lang yan sa gallery nyo. Then go back to PicsArt and then add another photo, which is a white background. And then, go add the photo na inedit natin kanina. So, yan na siya. Then, resize on how large would you like it to be. And then, let's go to Google and download dribbling effect picture. So, type nyo lang dribbling effect. Tapos, pili kayo ng magandang effect from Google. Then, pag nakapili na kayo, download nyo. And then, go back to your PicsArt and add that photo na dinownload nyo. Tapos, position nyo lang yung photo na dinownload and inad natin sa PicsArt dun sa mismong photo nyo. And then, yung sa baba, makikita nyo dun may blend. You just need to click on that and choose screen. Ayan na, magbe-blend na siya dun sa screen. And you can also choose effects or stickers. Pwede kayo mag-add ng stickers, depende sa gusto nyo. Pero I would prefer this photo to just be raw like this. So yan, yun lang guys. If may gusto pa kayong effects na i-add, just feel free to do so. So yun lang guys yung mga steps, and pwede nyo na din i-try sa end nyo.